The Flickstone 900 Mini Projector is a compact yet powerful smart projector designed for users who want premium entertainment on the go. With support for 4K and 8K video decoding, this mini projector delivers smooth playback and enhanced clarity, making it an excellent option for home theater use, outdoor movie nights, and camping adventures. Despite its small size, it offers impressive visual performance with sharp details and vibrant colors that create a satisfying cinematic experience. One of its standout features is the built-in Android Smart TV system, allowing direct access to popular streaming apps without the need for additional devices. This makes watching movies, shows, and online content extremely convenient. The projector also supports HDR10 technology, which significantly improves contrast and color accuracy, delivering deeper blacks and brighter highlights for more realistic visuals. The Wi-Fi connectivity enables seamless wireless screen mirroring from smartphones, tablets, and laptops, while its multiple connectivity options ensure compatibility with gaming consoles, USB drives, and media players. Its user-friendly interface makes setup quick and simple, even for beginners. Designed with portability in mind, the Flickstone 900 Mini is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for camping trips, travel, outdoor gatherings, or moving between rooms. The compact design does not compromise functionality. Offering a reliable viewing experience wherever you go, audio performance is decent for casual viewing, but pairing it with external Bluetooth speakers can greatly enhance immersion. Overall, the Flickstone 900 Mini Projector is an excellent portable entertainment solution, combining smart features, high-resolution decoding, and convenience in a sleek, travel-friendly package that delivers strong value for movie lovers and outdoor entertainment enthusiasts.